Welcome back to Superhairpieces, your go-to destination for all things hair and style. Today, we're diving into something special, a wig that combines seamless realism, breathability, and all-day comfort. Let me introduce to you the W109, our very first stretch fit lace front wig. This wig has a circumference of 21¼ inches and offers flexibility with its stretchable materials. It also offers 12 inches ear to ear over top and 13¾ front to back. Starting at the front, the W09 features an A-shaped front with ½ inch natural lace front, creating a seamless, realistic hairline. Next, we have the 1-inch clear poly to add durability and steel stays that keep the wig in place. These provide that extra support, so you can go about your day with confidence knowing your style stays flawless. The mono top enhances breathability, comfort, and a lightweight feel. At the back, we have stretchable lace and elastic bands on the sides and back to ensure a secure, adjustable fit that perfectly matches your head shape. But that's not all. The W109 includes several lines of machine weft connected with Velcro in the neck area for easy adjustments and a seamless appearance. Finally, let's talk about the density. The W109 offers a light to medium density at 100%. That means you get a natural, full look with just the right amount of volume with its 30mm wave. It's lightweight, balanced, and also comfortable for your everyday wear or special events. So, there you have it, the W109, the perfect combination of comfort, natural look, and style. Whether you're new to wigs or a seasoned pro, this is definitely a must-have for your collection. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Superhairpieces for more amazing hair tips and product reviews. And as always, stay confident, stay fabulous.